Have a look at the business news. G20, of course, meeting in Seoul with one issue. Susanna, good morning.
Yes, hello. Trying to avert a currency war, and the leaders of the world's 20 leading global powers are meeting in Seoul to discuss the way forward for the world's economy, with the debate dominated by imbalances in global economies. The West is putting pressure on Asia to revalue its currencies to lead to what it sees as a more level playing field for global trade, particularly the yuan in China, which some economists claim is trading at up to 40% below its true value. But analysts say that any compromise could prove hard to broker.
Let's take Germany, for example. If you even step out of that Asian debate, Germany has got a very large current account surplus at more than 5%, larger than China. But the reason Germany's got a large current account surplus is its population is ageing, it's saving for its retirement. So can we really say to Germany, well, actually, no, you can't do that. You need to go and consume, drive the global economy, bring your surplus down and bring the US deficit up. And it's those structural factors that are just as evident in Asia, not having a financial system that's as developed as we do, not having a benefit system that's developed like we do. You know, you have to save, therefore, a much higher level. So these are real structural factors.
Some corporate news now, and half-year profits at the telecoms giant BT have come in ahead of expectations at £496 million, an increase of 48%. It's been put down to demand for BT broadband and global services, which have seen orders increase by half. The firm now says it hopes to see profits of around £6 billion this year and says cash flow will rise to £2 billion, 2 years ahead of target. The boss of BT says public sector contracts are holding up despite the cuts in public spending.
What we've managed to do is we've re-signed well over 40% of the value of our contracts in the course of the last 6 or 9 months, and it works well for us in terms of we have long-term commitments, and we provide lower costs for them. So it's worked well. And I'll just say it's not just in the UK, also for instance, we just signed a very large contract with the Ministry of Defence in Spain. Okay. So BT is doing this actually around the world.
And Britain's biggest private property group, Land Securities, has posted a 6% rise in the value of its assets. Half-year results from Land Securities indicate that the worst of the commercial properties glut may be over. The group, which is building the City of London's largest mall and the new tower at Fenchurch Street, say corporate rents are also rising again. Time for a quick look at how the markets have been faring so far today. As you can see, the FTSE 100 up 11 points, 0.2%. That's boosted by mining stocks, particularly because gold, that's euro price gold, has risen to its highest level since mid-June. And that's over continuing concerns about Eurozone debt levels. And also, of course, concerns about what's going to be happening in the G20, whether there will be any solution to the currency wars. That's all from me for now. More in an hour's time. Back to you.